Yeah, so good morning everyone, good evening, good afternoon. This is Eric Auto Center. If you see me standing by a car like this, that means we are working on engine side and always go by either P0012 or P0014. So this is Toyota Yaris 2NZ engine has a problem and we diagnose it and find out that the oil pump has problem. That means it has affected the VVTI. So there are a lot of things we have to change on this car, not only the VVTI. And this is a single VVTI. As you can see, sometimes it may trigger you as if like it's locked, but it's turning because oil has stuck inside. So it will be very difficult for you to see unless you try it multiple times. But once you start giving the code, this may not deceive you, and you have to change it completely. So we are going to replace this. This is the single VVTI. This is what inside VVTI. It has worn out completely, and we are changing it to make sure the engine is working for its optimal performance. Another thing you have to check is that you have to remove the oil base, clean the dirtiness, oil clog, and then make sure the oil sieve is clean. If it is not clean, make sure to replace it so that you can get all round perfect work for perfect result. This is what most mechanics lack, and they don't even inspect it when they are solving this kind of problem. So it always becoming a troubleshooting or try and error, and it's at the end of the day no result will able to come. But here at Eric Center, we make sure we diagnose it, rectify it, and make sure we fix the right parts at the right time. So we will bring you an update of how it goes, and when we start it, we will give you another update for the current situation of this. And we have also detected that the oil pump is not good, which is the main cause of this error code. And what caused the oil pump to fail, which is also a matter to discuss. This is completely an counterfeit oil filter, so we have to purchase a new oil filter, which is genuine one from Toyota. And aside that, you have to look at the timing chain kit. If there is any problem there, you also have to replace it. So here is the timing chain tensioner. We are going to also change this one so that we will get the job done. The old one is here. This is the oil pump. We are going to remove the oil pump and replace it. This is the tensioner. It's 40. We are going to change it. So once you've done everything is okay, let me unbox the oil pump for you to see. Before I do that, I have to just clean my hand for better introduction. So I'm unboxing the oil pump for you to see. So this is the new oil pump, 2NZ, 1NZ, they are all the same. We are going to install it so that we will get the job done. These are the main things you have to look out for when you are doing this kind of work. Oil pump is here. This is the brand new oil pump. This is the case. I hope you see it clear. And this is the gear. This is the nut screws. You are going to fix it and replace it. And this is the gear. This is the gear. This is the timing gear for the oil pump. Very complex. If you try it, make mistake, you are going to hurt yourself. This is genuine oil filter, required, certified. This is genuine Toyota oil filter. Don't buy 30 20 cedis oil filter. This is 120 Ghana cedi oil filter. You can calculate it in the other currencies. You see the value or the exchange rate. We have a timing chain tensioner here. Let me just show you everything. This is also the timing chain tensioner. So everything is set for now, and we are going to install it and then align the timing for better start. A high performance, quality movement, and proper resolution for the driver to also enjoy the car for better benefit as well. So this is what you have to look at for oil clog over. That means you can see oil clog over. That look at the oil. That means irregular maintenance causes, and it's not good at all. you can also see this very dirty engine. You can see the color, red color of the engine, very dirty engine. And look at this. Sometimes you don't need to do certain things to hurt yourself. This is lack of, degraded oil change, or counterfeit oil filter. Yeah, these are the two main things that you call. You don't have to reschedule your maintenance. Just set a reminder, whether 5,000 or 10,000 kilometers, depending on the mileage and the distance used. If you have been using it for more mileage, you have to do it as soon as possible. Don't wait for 3 months, 6 months. That is the problem a lot of drivers are creating, and a lot of car owners are creating on this auto aspect. So I'm urging you to do proper maintenance. Preventive maintenance is always better than emergency repair course. I always say that, and you have to avoid it at all costs. So these videos, if they are very helpful to you and it contain informative, subscribe my channel, like the video, turn on the notification bell to stay updated, and comment as well. Yeah, so timing is done. The next stage is to fix the valve cover and push to the next stage. Everything is done properly by steps and requirements. Camshaft has been changed. We have changed the oil pump, timing chain adjuster. So we are going to heading towards to start the car, but it's awesome result, I tell you. So I have taken my time to work on this car because a lot of hands have been touched this car and there wasn't any result. Just try and error. Guesswork causing a lot of issues and cost to this car owner. And this is the first time he discovered me on YouTube because of such videos. So whenever you get these videos, make sure you share it, like, and also subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell. We fix everything ourselves. We take our time to do everything. This is Yaris Center. What matters most is customer philosophy. We happy to do the right work for our customers, for better recommendation, so that they also say whatever they see on the internet is not just editing or something to just hype ourselves, but when it comes to the field of work, the reality is even more than what you see on the internet. So we are well professional. Thank you. See you again. If you have any issue about this car, write in the comment section, and also call us, locate us to do the proper work done and show you the kind of parts you need to use, kind of part you don't need to use. That is what it will guarantee and extend your engine lifespan. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.